Hey, Dr. Brett Wojciak here from Mountain Medicine Integrative Wellness Center. Here to talk to you today about regenerative therapies or regenerative medicine. I get this question quite a bit as far as what it means and what it entails and what it can actually help with. So we see a lot of people in our clinic that are looking for pain relief, and a lot of times that can be helped really well with chiropractic and massage, but sometimes that pain is a little bit deeper in there, or maybe a little bit more chronic and needs a little further healing. A lot of people will go to a doctor with this type of pain, and a lot of times they'll be recommended corticosteroid or cortisone injections, and these can be helpful. But what they usually do is they decrease pain by decreasing inflammation, and they don't necessarily address the underlying factor that's creating that pain in the first place. So what we find in a lot of these patients is that this pain comes from minor tears or stretching in the ligaments and tendons and the areas that connect the bone or connect the muscle to the joint. So if you lose a little bit of that integrity of your joint, it becomes a little bit loose and it's not functioning properly, then that usually translates into pain and decreased mobility. And so regenerative medicine, what that does is they go in, they're very similar to corticosteroid injections in that they are injections as well, but they actually stimulate the healing process of the body. And so they'll go in and actually help heal those ligaments and tendons, fix any like minor tears, as well as provide more structural stability and strengthen those connecting points in the joints. So it decreases that pain. It's longer lasting and it's a natural healing process, and then you'll also get increased mobility from that because you'll be able to either stand on that joint a little better, move that joint a little better, and it lasts longer because your body is actually healing it in that process. And the inflammation will eventually go down as well, because that healing will also bring the inflammation down with it, because the body no longer is dealing with a chronic issue that it's having a hard time healing with. And so the two main therapies that we use in our clinic are Prolotherapy as well as platelet-rich plasma. Both are really wonderful for that healing process. And what they do is they go in and they actually kind of mimic an injury in the body, or actually re-stimulate the body to let it know that there's still an injury in that area. Oftentimes when you have an injury for a long time, the body just kind of will forget about it, or it doesn't really get stimulated enough to continue that healing process as you would with like a cut on the skin or something like that, like more of an immediate type of injury. And so these guys go in, they create a little bit of inflammation process to help bring in those healing cells. Those healing cells lay down new tissue and target the area, and they'll start strengthening and healing that area. And then in a few short weeks, you should start seeing a decrease in pain, increase in mobility, and getting closer and closer back to your daily lifestyle. So I offer free consultations for regenerative medicine, so you can make an appointment anytime, and I can talk to you more about it and go over all the details, have really great handouts, and see if you're a good candidate for it. And then we'll make a game plan and get you back in and start the treatment plan and get you feeling better as soon as we can. So give us a ring today, and I can get you in and talk.